Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you one of the part of speech, adverbs. So let's get started. What is adverb? Yes, adverbs tells us how an action is done. It describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It tells us how, where, when, why, and with what frequency. Where is used when asking about a place. For example, where do you live? Then what is used about asking a thing. Example, what is her favorite color? And when is used asking about a time of an event. For example, when is the birthday? When is your birthday? When is his birthday? Next, how is used when asking about a procedure or method. For example, how can I learn Spanish quickly? How can I learn phonetics easily? Okay, let's go for the next. How often? It asks about a frequency. For example, how often do you visit your grandmother? Here, how often means many times. बार बार जिसको कहते हैं उसको how often we used to say. We often go swimming at the weekend. Okay? Now, let us see there are different kinds of adverbs. So here I have pointed some 4 kinds of adverbs, that is adverbs of manner, it tells about how, adverbs of place, it tells about where, adverbs of time, it tells about when, and adverbs of frequency, it tells about how often. Now let us see the first one, adverbs of manner. It tells how an action is being performed. Here you can see many examples. Slowly, loudly, angrily, quietly, hard, fast, happily, greedily, frankly, eagerly. So, honestly, joyfully, cunningly. Examples: she walks fast or she works fast. How she works? Fast. It is telling about an action. How she does. He quietly slipped away. How he slipped quietly. It tells about an action that he performed. Okay, I hope you have understood the adverbs of manner. Now let us go for adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tells where the action takes place. For example, here, near, up, down, far, anywhere, somewhere, on, in. So here you can see the examples. Come here. Here, I am showing the action here. Then put the sofa there, please. There, I am showing the position over there. That place you have to keep the sofa. Okay? Now, let's go for the adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tells when the action takes place. When, at what time. For example, yesterday, today, tomorrow, soon, lately, regularly, rarely. The examples such as: she will visit the hospital tomorrow. She will be here soon. Soon. It's nothing but we are mentioning the time when the action takes place. Soon. Okay, now let's go for the adverbs of frequency. It tells about how often or in what frequency the action takes place. How often, how many times the action takes place. Suppose, for example, never, always, often, once, frequently, yearly, every, never, hardly ever, seldom, often, normally. These are the examples. Now let us see these sentences. They meet every week. How often they meet? Every week. So every is nothing but I'm saying the action that happens frequently. Okay? It's always cold in his room. Always. Always nothing but adverbs of frequency. How often the action takes place? Nothing but always. So remember, children, that the adverbs tells us more about a verb and it describes or modifies the verb in same or some way. Many adverbs that ends with the suffix ly, but not all. And adverbs often tells us how something happened. Okay? So that's all for today. I hope you have understood clearly. Take care. Keep watching. Please subscribe my channel. Do share. Thank you. Bye-bye.